Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check test page on an Epson ET-L355. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the buttons found on the front of the printer. So the first thing we need to do is make sure the printer itself is turned off. Press the power button, wait for it to turn off. Now the button has stopped flashing, we know it's off, and what we need to do is hold down the stop button and then turn on the printer. And when the printer is on, we're going to release them both. So here we go, hold that down, that's on, take hands off both the buttons, and the printer should begin printing that test page. So if we give it a second, we wind up with the test page, which is hopefully looking better than mine. What you should be looking at is something more like this, with a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow portions of the print head. And any missing lines across these patterns indicates either a small or, if a colour is missing, a severe blockage on the print head itself. If you're experiencing this, I'd recommend checking out our cleaning cycle video, which we also have on our channel, as forcing some fresh ink through the print head will hopefully dislodge anything that's causing a blockage, improve your print quality, and get you up and running. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.